Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The other day I had a chance to visit Las Vegas and dine at Mon Ami Gabi restaurant in Paris. It was such a nice and sunny day that day that we requested to sit on the patio. The wonderful thing about sitting on the patio was we had a beautiful view of the strip and it was nice to watch people walking around. After we sat down, the waiter took our drink order and he gave us a loaf of bread to whet our appetite. I ordered the Bloody Mary for a drink and also the hash with 2 eggs for the meal. After we got our Bloody Mary, we thought that the Bloody Mary was a meal of itself. It has salami, tomatoes, cucumbers, bacons, and celery. And it was so good. If you love Bloody Mary, you have to order this. As I mentioned before, I ordered the corned beef hash with 2 eggs, and it has 2 slices of bread and some tomatoes. And it was a lot of food. I think if I order next time, I would share this dish. The eggs were cooked over easy. As you can see, the yolk was nice and runny, just the way I like it. For each bite, I like to incorporate the eggs, tomatoes, and a corned beef hash. The other thing I like to do is sop up the egg yolk with a piece of toast. It was so good. Overall, I really enjoyed eating at this restaurant. I had a great time eating with my friends, and also the view was amazing, and also the food was also really good. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.